Well, the COVID-19 pandemic has cost some people their jobs and their health insurance with that. Today, Governor Cooper renewing a push to cut down on the number of people who are uninsured, trying to bridge a political divide. Our Capitol reporter Michael Hyland live in Raleigh. Michael, more than 1 million people in this state are not covered. That is not a good thing.
Right, the governor put together a new bipartisan group that's meant to address this. And today I talked to one woman who is dealing with massive medical bills from the hospital and frustrated. Things aren't changing. It was just weeks after Christina Persico gave birth to her daughter, Nova, that she lost her health coverage. Eventually, she got sick.
My emergency room visits were over $25,000.
For about 3 years now, she's had no insurance, but still needs care to deal with chronic conditions.
It's extremely frustrating because I feel like if I had access to regular medical care, I wouldn't have ended up in the emergency room.
Data from the Census Bureau shows Christina is among about 1.2 million people in the state who are uninsured. They account for 11% of the population. Governor Roy Cooper is trying a new strategy to address that.
This is not going to be easy.
He spent his first term pushing to expand Medicaid coverage to hundreds of thousands of lower-income people, a step most states have taken. On Friday, he convened this group of more than 36 state leaders, including several Republicans in the General Assembly. The two parties have fought over this as Republicans raise concerns about costs. They've pushed for other reforms, like improving telehealth. They said they were frustrated Medicaid was the focus Friday, when it's been controversial.
We also know that in order to improve access, we need to find ways to reduce costs.
Cooper said this isn't just about a new push for Medicaid expansion and highlighted the issues COVID-19 has caused people.
There's a long way to go in fighting this pandemic, but I believe that we can come out on the other side of this thing stronger.
The governor said this group is supposed to find areas that they agree on in the next few weeks as they get ready for the General Assembly to come back into session next month. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.